Meaning of DH.
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 DH. DH could refer to different things depending on the context. In the field of cryptography, DH stands for Diffie-Hellman, which is a key exchange protocol used to securely exchange cryptographic keys over an insecure channel. The protocol allows two parties to mutually generate a shared secret key without ever transmitting the key itself. This shared key can then be used to encrypt and decrypt messages between the two parties. DH is widely used in Internet security protocols such as SSL/TLS.